installation of the USB and SD card. To pull off the lid, pull up on the latch, pull up front to back. This is the diagram of the internal components of this chassis. This is where the USB is located. To install your USB, simply slide in as if you would on any other USB component. This is where the SD card is located. To install the SD card, make sure it's flush to the board and slide it in. To close the chassis, line up the top lid, front to back, and slide towards the front until you hear a click.